friends. I think this is the worst time I was in college days, because this is not a good time to hear something, because it's a sleeping time. I'm happy to see this much crowd here, because when I was in college, I never used to sit this kind of programs. As Madam told, I used to bunk classes too much. Basically, I start with my background. So, I belongs to a rural area called Mandagate, where our population is around 1,000 people. I completed my basic studies in rural regional language Kannada and government school. I did my science studies in PU and completed in pharmacy. Because I really hate maths. I just passed in PUC with a 30 marks. I hope someone has given a 30 marks to me. I was very much interested in science and more towards biology and towards herbs, you can say Ayurvedic products development. So I thought which is the best course to join, and I realized that the pharmacy is the best course where I can study chemistry as well as everything related to human biology. So then I completed my studies in pharmacy. I was telling sir that I was asked in college days and fourth year, what is your next option? I was a very rude student in my classroom. I was rusticated 3 times. I given an answer called it's called MGMT. Everyone is shocked. Okay, what is MGMT? You know MGMT course? Anyone? No one? It's a practical based, and only rural area students can get this education. It's called how many people are from Karnataka? Okay, all. It's nothing but management of Gadde Mane Tota. It's definitely a practical based education, and only experienced people can give you. And to teach you, the professors or whoever your mentor need not to be educated. And that's what I selected that particular, to do MGMT along with my pharmacy. Best part, while doing pharmacy, I was presented a paper, promoting our Indian heritage and giving scientific evidence to heritage of India. I was selected by University of Swinburne, which comes under Melbourne University, to do my PG. I completed my PG in manufacturing and management technology, where we taught how to develop a product and how to bring that product into the market. I was working as a business development consultant, and it was a fantastic job I had in my life. I traveled across 7 countries, and I was a troubleshooter and in a company. I used to go for different companies and solve the problems of their company. That once I go to any company to solve their problem, they treat me as like a king, because he came to solve our problem. And I traveled New Zealand, Singapore, Bangkok, Hong Kong, and many places. But I was not happy because my course was not completely done of MGMT. I came back. I left my job because I wanted to be an entrepreneur. I doesn't want to be do for a job and do something to another country and get only your money. So I left everything and I came back to India, and for the The first year I could not able to make anything. I was totally in confusion. What to do? I'm having it, to do something in India, and I was not clear what to do. Because while coming back, my friends told, so you can't do it anything in India. Everyone understand Kannada? ಅಲ್ಲೋಗಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. So, because I was having around salary of 6 lakh rupees per month, and in ವರ್ಷ ಇಡೀ ದುಡಿದ್ರು you can't earn 6 lakh rupees. And I was accommodated with everything, but I was not happy with my life. I love what I wanted to become. Okay, and then college days I was having a dream. Okay, I wanted to become an entrepreneur. I was, the people like you, sitting like you, I was teasing who entrepreneur comes to, give a lecture, okay, how to become an entrepreneur. I was teasing them, sitting in the last row. I'm not. But now I feel like I'm very happy that I'm standing here, and Mahesh has given me opportunity to stand here, and many colleges giving me opportunity to stand here, and I feel happy. I promote student now, to become an entrepreneur, because I was not guided, properly to become an entrepreneur, how to become an entrepreneur. Because this is the right age to become an entrepreneur. And you know that in any universities, wherever I go, so in 20 years of age, they start building a company. Any you can see any big people, Facebook is they started their own company of 20 years or 22 years, like that. Any because they have a courage to start a company, and we Indian don't even dare to start a company. ಮನೇಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಕಂಪನಿ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನೋಡು ನೀನು ಸೋತೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀಯಾ ಅಂತ. In a management also, in management education also, what they say, you get a job first. In every management, most of the management ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡೋದೆ, you find a job. Am I right? Most of the engineering students also start looking for a job, because this is our mentality. Okay, we don't want to start an entrepreneur, we don't want to start a business. And I was I was same like that. I came back to India and I started to develop what I was passionate about. My passion was to develop a new product, concepts. I started a company called Mystic Aromatics in 2013, and started the product using a recycled paper air freshener. We started collecting the waste on the roadside, and started giving contribution to Swachh Bharat also. Started collecting papers, and we started product develop of paper air freshener, and we supplying right now to Tata Motors and Toyota, so all over the India. And we export also, and I'm very happy. I'm exporting something waste to another country. And now we are very good, doing good in paper air freshener also. And my passion is always to develop something new. When I was in Australia, my friends told me one day that ನೀವು ಇಂಡಿಯಾನ ಸ್ಪಾಯಿಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, you being a South Indian, you're spoiling all India. I told, why? They told, they don't know, they think that areca is synonym for, it's like a gutka. They told, ನೀವು ಗುಟ್ಕಾ ಬೆಳಿತೀರಾ ಅಂತ. Means there is no clarity what is gutka and what is areca nut. And that irritated me in such a way that I want to show the world gutka is something different. And I got irritated, and I started I'll not stay back in India, so not stay back in Australia, I'll go to India and I'll start working on something. So that was my intention of developing a product using areca nut. As what's the name? As she told, I was analysis the areca nut, what exactly the chemical constitute it contains, and I found that it contains tannin in it, and we developed the tea using areca nut, and it took around 1.5 years to develop a product. And I applied the patent, and we got already patent, we got a word mark, everything for the product. And Areca tea made my company to become 100 crore right now. The company I started in 2013, now it's 2016, it's already 100 crore company, and we are expecting the next financial year the company will reach 250 crore. Areca tea is like, it's not a concept product. It's not a concept product like a green tea. Believe me, green tea is a concept product. It's nothing different, than a tea. The green tea is the tea which you have with uncomfortability. It's a truth. And people believe that, okay, with uncomfortability we feel medicine. That's our mindset. If you give a very sweet thing saying that it's a medicine, no one will, happy with the medicine. If it's a very bitter, you can't consume it and you have to have something, along with the medicine, then you feel, okay, it's a medicine. So our product was, what we developed using areca nut. We given it for a chemical analysis and clinical trial, and product got identified for all different, areca nut found for antioxidant, and what green tea claims, and it's two types of antioxidant it's there, and it's an anti-aging tea. Believe me, it's been proven in Korean university. This areca nut will reduce 66% of wrinkle formation in skin, and it's been proven in universities. And we are conducting a clinical trial for diabetic, and it's found that it's an anti-diabetic also. And we are getting an inquiry from all over the world. So that the areca nut is it's considered as a gutka. Now the concept has been changed. I called my friend who told me that, so you are spoiling India by cultivating gutka. I told, no, we changed the concept. If you ask in India, what is areca nut? At the beginning it was telling that areca nut is gutka. Now people will think areca nut, they have some powers. They will think, okay, it's a tea or it's gutka. It will take another 3-4 years to change the mindset. It says that areca nut is tea. Because it will take time to change. And that the company, this areca nut patent been asked in UK for 100 crore. I told no. Because this product own an award called Make in India Excellence Award, and I want this product to be done in India. And we have started manufacturing it already with very bold letters, made in India. Probably we will in 2016 year end, we will be launching it in 10 different countries. And all big companies, including CCD, including big cafes and everything, they are already ready to launch tea in their menus. I was doing the same. So why I told you about my product, because it's an innovation. innovation can change the life. So it was a concept basically to develop a tea. And even no one has thought of it, okay, whether tea can be developed using areca nut. It's called out of the box thinking. Alright, it's a management word, I think so. I'll be honest, I don't know what is Six Sigma and all this, management. But I know that only management. I was very clear about the word, what is management derived. The manage is different, and manage me, M-E is the first. It's called a manage me. Okay, then N comes, means management. Then you start, meant. Means you can manage everything. That's how the management is. In simple way. Thanks. Start with the current thing, why I came here. People have a concept and how to start and to become to start a business. Everyone have their own idea, I want to do something, but not clear what to do. Tell me honestly, how many people wanted to become an engineer very seriously? Very seriously. Nice. Few people are very much interested. Most of the people are pushed to this course because I can see. ತುಂಬ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಯೂಶಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಹಳ್ಳಿ ಕಡೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಇದು ಮಾವಿನ ಮರ ಆಗೋಕ್ಕೂ ಬಿಡಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಹಲಸಿನ ಮರ ಆಗೋಕ್ಕೂ ಬಿಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಅಂದರೆ ಹಲಸಿನ ಹಣ್ಣು ಬೆಳೀತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಹಲಸಿನ ಮರದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಲಸಿನ ಹಣ್ಣು ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ ಹಲಸಿನ ಹಣ್ಣು ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದು 2-3 ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಲಸಿನ ಹಣ್ಣು ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಅಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಮಾವಿನ ಹಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ರೇಟ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಏನಾದ್ರು ಮಾಡಿ ಹಲಸಿನ ಹಣ್ಣಿನ ಮರನೇ ಮಾವಿನ ಹಣ್ಣಿನ ಮರ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ತಿರ್ಸಾಕ್ಷಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. This is what happening right now. The interest in every student is different, and we are pushed to something different. I was interested in, I was honestly interested in pharmacy. I was about to know about the chemistry and everything, but I felt that doing pharmacy not only gives good knowledge, and if I want to develop a product, I want to learn about the product development. And only developing a product won't give you a market. You have to be in management also. Then that's why I went and I captured a market. I did a course called Manufacturing and Management Studies, where we thought you can do your product development also. You can place the market where it has to be. You can place the product where it should be. So I think slides are there. I won't bore you with a lot of data, many numbers. Basic formulas. It's not like I think since in engineering students you study this what is called in maths integration. What is another integration and differentiation? Really, I'm fed up with it. I don't want to remember that. Do what you love what you do. It's a simple word, okay? And usually when I was in college days, it's been told many times, love what you do. but we are very strict. Love what we see. I think our wavelength matches very perfectly. But after your after your graduation, please concentrate on this. I know that college life is the golden life, and honestly, I enjoyed a lot. Do what you love what you do, whatever it is. You know, like ದನ ಕಾಯೋದಾದ್ರೂ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದು 100% ಇರಬೇಕು. We don't know. ಈಗ probably ದನ ಕಾಯೋದು the hardest part. You can start an online portal. You know that now the company came out called dailypuja.com. They supply this puja items. And it's a beautiful concept actually. Like, why don't you hire some people in rural area and start up, some website, and people who are sitting in software companies who can hire those people, and that software farming. We want to start a farming, and I met a lot of people, plenty of places who was there. And I met a person who was doing some higher end job in Oracle. He wanted to start farming. I told, so this is the best concept. Plenty of concepts are there. His concept was different. He was telling that they give offer many engineers to some purchase or some for a rental. They will buy some place and they will cultivate it, and they cultivate in organic way, and they will sell it. They will use it their own. So it's a concept, and the concept into the product is a very difficult task, and you can do it also. So this is simple. Strategically, I can say, but don't do that after your education. So same thing, so its meaning is same, and if you rotate it however you want, it's the same. Once you love your job, once you love your passion, that if you start that as in the business or service, you'll definitely, believe me, you will be the best businessman ever. Don't try to copy others or doing. Honestly, I'd say in India, if someone comes with a dhaba, someone comes with the hotel, the next week someone will start next to him another hotel. It's the same thing happening. Some person came as chai point, some other person came as tea shop. That's why we fail, because we try to copy others. Develop a product which is very new to the market. They developed many things, but what we do is always we try to copy. You just think everything what we do, what we have an idea, most of the people do the copying of the others. Why Apple is succeeded? All concepts are different. It's a total new concept they develop usually. I know the higher end person of Apple company. He always tells what we've been trained in our training session is you develop something different. We don't mind if it is it cannot be applied or cannot be implemented. You just develop something new. That's what I'll tell you later. If you go and tell your ideas, no one will be interested. Everyone is faced. Even your family also not interested in your ideas. ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನು ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಏನೋ ಅದು ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹೋಗೋದಾಗ ಮಲ್ಕೋ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನನಗೂ ಅದೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಬಟ್ what you develop, the idea, the concept, you should have a very strong feeling about it. This is what, believe yourself. Okay? If you believe your idea, you will feel more confident about your ideas. I don't say it's like, it should be 100% successful, or, whether it's not going to be successful, whether it cannot be implemented. Don't worry about it. I failed 3 times in my life. 3 times. I earned a lot of money, and I invested in Australia, coming back to India, and I failed. I lost my complete money. And I started from 25,000 rupees, taking a personal loan from the bank. But I was, ನಾನು ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ನನ್ನ ಹೋಪ್ ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡೇ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. I lost lakhs of rupees in my business. The first business what I started. I understood that, then I realized that I made a mistake. And I took that, the very expensive mistake I made, and I took this as positive. Where I can implement that mistake. That I can change the mistake. Share your ideas. And please hide your key points. So discuss your ideas. Most of the people don't discuss ideas. ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು, ಅವನೇನೋ ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ. I know people won't share their notes also. Am I right? Because ನಾನು ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಂಗೆ ಯಾರು ನೋಟ್ಸೇ ಕೊಡ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. And this is why I tell those mistakes what I made in my college days, that share your ideas, discuss your ideas. I think you people are discussed a lot. Try to develop a product using the concept actually. We have plenty of concepts in mind. We don't try to develop a prototype. We never thought of developing a prototype. And to develop a prototype, you don't want to, you don't have to have a huge money. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಆಚೆ ಈಚೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, but you can develop a product. And final product can be, here and there you can do something, you will get an idea like how much it's going to be, how it's going to be look. And if you're developing a software, if you're developing a website, at least you try to develop a prototype. And believe me, to develop a website or online portal doesn't require a lot of money. I think the maximum requirement is around 5,000 or 4,000 rupees. Because I did that. I know, even though I'm a pharmacy background, I learned how to do online websites. Still mysticaromatics.in is an online based, and we developed in our own company, in our own, even personally I developed that website because I wanted to know how online portal works. Most of the companies fail because they make something which people do not need. People, if you are developing a product, you develop a product first and then say, this is the product I have. And I don't want many products. What MNC do, what MNC companies do always, they first sell their ideas. The perfect example I'll give you. The Fair and Lovely men's Fair and Lovely. They initially put an ad. You can also use men's Fair and Lovely. Only women are using it. Men's also can use. The 40% market has been grown in a year span. Fair and Lovely when they launched Fair and Lovely Men's. I was surprised. And believe me, and component of the Fair and Lovely is the same. They changed their packing. Packaging is only different. They mentioned the name called Men's. That's what the first, they create a need in a market. Now people are coming with the selfie bottle. Some hair oil came up with the product called Induleka, selfie bottle. Means they developed the concept that this can also be used, and people have started using it. Every product, they show that this can also be used. Now most of the people drink green tea, am I right? Now it's okay. Once you reach the IT sector, you're going to have a green tea because it's a status of symbol, symbol of status, whatever. The green tea is nothing. It's the same plant. They created a concept, and 10 years before there was no green tea, and we were having a regular tea, and they pushed in the market that this can also be done. This can also be drink. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದಿವಸ ಬಿಟ್ಟೇನೋ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. So ಮಣ್ಣನ್ನ you can use it as a face wash. And they give a concept. Okay, this can also be used, and believe me, people will start using it. This is what I told. Believe me, no one is in need. They create a need first. ನೀವು ಏನು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ. First create a need. Then develop a product. Even need is not a big thing. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿರೋ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿರೋ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡಿಗೆ ನೀಡ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. You start developing a need. I started a website called Webbooks. Webbook concept was sharing a notes. Because ನಾನು ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಓದ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಯಾರು ನಂಗೆ ನೋಟ್ಸೇ ಕೊಡ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. I thought start a website. Webbooks. But I failed in that Webbooks because I was not completed my project. But that was running very good. The friends were sharing the notes of pharmacy, where it can be easily downloaded. I was getting plenty of notes. ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜಿಂದ ನನಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾಲೇಜಿಂದ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗೋಕ್ಕೆ ಶುರುವಾಗಿತ್ತು. And I was very happy with the notes. So this is what need should be there in the market. Then you can develop a product. Mistakes is always there. Don't go behind mistakes. This is the biggest part. How to find ideas. ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಭಜನೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಐಡಿಯಾ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? Ideas is a different, I'll give you a simple 6-step where ideas can be developed. Problem is the key point for ideas. Why? Problem ಇದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ you always find a solution. You wanted to find a solution. And believe me, the last benchers always find fatafat. The people who are clapping are the last benchers. Am I right? Samir Bhatia developed Hotmail. It was the biggest problem ಅವರು ಜಾಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಮೇಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಕಂಪನಿ emails cannot be used personally. It was a restriction. And a huge problem ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಫೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ. His friend was called John. And that was a problem and he wanted to get the solution. Simply developed a Hotmail. And Hotmail was purchased on 400 million It was a concept. And we developed the product and it's been sold for $400 million. So all problems, you can find a solution. And if you develop a product, believe me, that's the biggest concept. Service problem. Service problem, Redbus, Ola, everything. You just go on service problem, you say, this is the biggest companies came out because of the service problem. If you feel a problem, same thing, he was standing in a bus stop in Majestic and he felt something, he could not able to get a seat. And he developed the product. Observation. Observation also, you can just observe. You will get the idea. Plenty of observation, that, I think I forgot that. Newton's law, am I right? ಸೇಬು ಹಣ್ಣು ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ ತಿಂದು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ನ್ಯೂಟನ್ಸ್ ಲಾನೇ ಬರ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ನ್ಯೂಟನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ್ದಪ್ಪ ಅದು? But he observed it. This is what we took it as a joke. But if you think very realistic and seriously, you will get an idea what we can do it using that. And believe me, I was like I was not know about the disintegration. It was in chemistry. No, not that one. Disintegration is dissolution. I called my professor the last week. Sir, please tell me how disintegration works. ಅವ್ರು ನಂಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಒಂದು ದಿವಸ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಗೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಕೂತಿದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿತ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಂತ. Because it's an observation. You put your observation into your product, definitely you will get an idea or you can solve the problem. Wish I can do it. Wish I can do it. You can Google. Wish I can do it. Google came out same. Like ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರಬೇಕು. It was like YouTube was there. One website and I wanted to get every video. So I wish I could do it. Xerox also same. He was a copywriter, writing the same repeatedly. He fed up with everything. He was like, I wish I can do something which can copy instantly. Because of that, I wish he developed the Xerox company. Now Xerox is the biggest. Innovation, obviously. I'm the example for innovation. 3 years, my company being developed into an 100 crore company. Because of the innovation, my 2 product has been changed my life. Areca tea as well as the perfume printing technology. The Areca tea has been given a recognition all over the world. But other product, what we do is perfumery printing. That's also innovation. We have a technology, we developed a technology where we can print perfumery visiting cards. That's what we started it. And we are the only one company in India who can make customized perfume printing. And we have that wait of 2 months to get visiting card done from our company. And people are still waiting for it. And most of the MNC companies. Just because of the innovation. If they give a visiting card that will hold perfume for more than a year, people will remember it forever. It was a concept. When I started a company called Mystic Aromatics, I wanted to have a different identification. Am I right? So if you want to start a company, you should you want to be different. Mine was like an aromatic company. And if I give a visiting card, someone will say and they will throw. Usually, the most of the companies, once they give a visiting card, some people keep it in their wallet, or some people will throw, or some people will keep somewhere else. I thought, like, if we add some value addition to the visiting card, definitely they are going to keep it. And what is the value addition for that? And anyway, we are the aromatic company. We develop a perfume printing technology. We developed a perfume printing. And we started developing a perfumes printing and printing visiting card of our own. And we given it to different people. Once we given a visiting card, they started asking me, where did you get it done? I started with my company. Okay, then that's how our product started as a perfumery visiting cards. Now we supply to all over the globe perfumery visiting cards. Holding time of 1 year. And believe me, no one will throw you a visiting card. They will keep it in their wallet. We also promoted that, okay, it's a wallet air freshener. Wallet freshener. They will not throw you a visiting card. They will keep it for a year. Love your country. You just observe love your country, you will get all the 5 problems. Above 5, you can definitely get it. We always blame our country. We got always problem in this country. But why can't we find a solution? We always started blaming Adilla. But we don't want to find a solution. We started simply blaming someone, Artha illa. Why can't we, try it? It was, when I was in Australia, it was simply he told, you're spoiling our country. And that was a problem. And started working on that. And believe me, that product has won a Make in India Excellence Award. That is the greatest part. So, I'll tell, in every college, wherever I go, I tell, please love your country. There is no mean working in other country, earning money. Earning money is not only a criteria. It's one of the criteria. Am I right? Yes. Many people say no. Okay, but you can also earn money, in India only. Definitely, in Australia, I would have not earned, my company built 100 crore. Still, I'm working for some 6-7 lakh rupees a month, probably 70 lakhs a year. But 3 years of span, I was, about to clear a problem of India, and my company has grown to 100 crore. Everyone, you just go on observing this. I love my country. Okay, you will definitely get an idea. So what best I can do it for my country. That's what, I won't say that you don't want to go to America or different places. You go and you just come back to our country and start something to contributing to country. And farmers, agriculture is the 70% Indian population is in agriculture, and no one is concentrated on that. High potential market. If you develop a product using the agricultural background, the world will recognize you. Because no one is concentrated on that particular field. Now the MNCs came and in the agriculture field that they are promoting organic. Organic is, that's how we started a business in India. I think its video is not playing and you can YouTube it. 9.4 lines. I think it can play? Yeah. This is the 9 dot. How is it? There was a concept 9 dots, 4 lines. It was like I went an international conference. They showed this video. Just join 9 dots with 4 lines, and it's highly impossible. And even I was saying why it's not impossible. I tried a lot like that, this, everything. But continue. That you can join it also with the 4 lines. Why I selected this video? Because 9 dots can be joined with the 4 lines. And we don't, it's out of the box thinking. We control ourselves to 9 dots. We don't think further. We can draw a line further also. Definitely you'll get a full, you can join the dots. And most of the people think, okay, so what is the perfect idea? Tumba jana helkontira, share ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, which is the perfect idea which I can use it? ನೀವು ಐಡಿಯಾಸನ್ನ ಹೋಗಿ ಯಾವಾಗ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ, once your friend or family started laughing at you, believe me, that is the best idea. ಯಾವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ನಗಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಐಡಿಯಾಕ್ಕೆ, that is the best idea, because they don't have even common sense that you can think about it. And you can only the person you can think about it. If you have a strong belief in you, you can develop a product also using the concept. This is most of the people say, okay, I'm the madam in the last presentation was given, she also told, I'm not success because of my education. Nan education illappa, nan ಏನು business ಮಾಡಲಿ? I'm an engineer. How can I start a pharmacy company? How I can start a food company? This is not even, this is a nonsense reason. Every big people doesn't have education. They are basic. Failures. We always say once we fail in life, they always say, ನಾನು ಆವಾಗಲೇ ಫೇಲ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಪ್ಪ, ನಾನು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. This is what usually common all people do. Financial status is not good. ದುಡ್ಡಿಲ್ಲ. ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ದುಡ್ಡಿಲ್ಲ. I started with 25,000 rupees, as I told. Believe me, belongs to a very poor family. ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೇಲಿ ಒಂದು ಹೊತ್ತಿನ ಊಟಕ್ಕೆ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಆಗಿತ್ತು when I was doing my education. It was not at all a concern. It will not distract your aim. Your aim should be focused and love what you do. Fear is always there. Come out of the fear, and opportunity never knocks twice. ನೀವು ಈಗ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್, ಈಗ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಡೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಆಫ್ಟರ್ 35 years, ಬಿಲೀವ್ ಮೀ, ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಕಮಿಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಲೈಫ್. That always this is the golden lines I implement in my life. ನಂದು ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ದು, ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ದು ವಾಲ್ಪೇಪರ್ ಇದೇ ಇರ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಸ್ಟ್ರಗಲ್ ನೌ and live comfortable life later. And live comfortable life now and struggle later. Am I right? This is the right or not? Yes. ಈ ಎರಡು ಲೈನ್ನ ನೀವು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಹೋಟ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ಲೋಡ ತೊಳಿತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಕೇಳಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ನಾನು ಅವಾಗೇನಾದ್ರು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಓದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಲೋಡ ತೊಳಿತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಅಂತ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅವಾಗ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕಂಫರ್ಟೇಬಲ್ ಲೈಫ್, ದೇ ಲಿವ್ಡ್ ಕಂಫರ್ಟೇಬಲ್ ಲೈಫ್. Now they are in struggle. Many people struggled in early life and now they are living a very high comfortable, very high end life. Simple slogan, you can adopt it. I attended an international conference where we are given with the pencil, eraser and sharpener. And they are told to write 2 lines, A and B. And you know, A is your company and B are the other's company, your competitor company. You have to make your competitor half. You have a eraser in your hand. You have an eraser in your hand. Including me, I rubbed half of a B. But the concept was different. He told you have a pencil in your hand. You draw your line. You become a more. That's how the business. If you want to be an entrepreneur, you think positively. Why you want to destroy others and you want to come up in your life? You draw your line. This actually, like, you know, when I started a company, I was thinking about this. Many people told, once Areca tea came, your competitor is a green tea. I told no, our competitor is not green tea. It's a common word. Green tea is a competitor. No, we are not competing with the green tea. Because we don't want to cut off others. We want to grow ourselves. We say, okay, our product is very good. And thank you.